Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1953 Studebaker Commander. Go over some of the highlights on the 351 Windsor. We have the roller lifter camshaft in there, brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, oil pressure extensions on there, high flow fuel pump, gas filters installed, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, brass freeze plugs, rear sump oil pan for the Studebaker, oil stick and tube. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Ford Racing valve covers with a matching air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. We have the quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Customer's running a T5 standard transmission. We have the proper bell housing on there. Ram clutches installed, clutch fork, throwout bearings in there, all set, aligned. Customer's running the external slave cylinder attached to the clutch fork. The alignment is set. All adjustments are set, ready to go. High torque mini starters on there. PCV line, heavy duty Russell line on there, electric choke wire. We have this beautiful Raptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressors on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine at the Engine Factory is live run, tested for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, everything ready to go, drop in ready. So again, that's our 351 Windsor 400 horsepower roller cam engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.